Hey everyone, what a crazy weekend. Finally got the flooring done and did a little bit of the edging as well, so come check it out. Sorry in advance for the teaser, guys. Here's a quick shot of me getting the vehicle weighed in order to get my registration. Stay till the end and see how the final result turns out. Thanks. Here's a shot of the van without the vinyl flooring. It's got about ½ an inch of ribbing on here on the floor. I'm gonna offset that with some ½ inch insulation before I put the plywood on there. So keep you guys posted. Ooh, insulation's looking good. I ended up using ½ inch EPS polyiso from Home Depot to do the insulation of the floor. Pro tip of the day: if you use a straight edge with your X-Acto knife, you can get pretty straight cuts with the ½ inch foam insulation. And this is the finished product. I ended up rushing this one, but it turned out pretty good. All right, got my subfloor from Home Depot today. Took out the vinyl flooring from the cargo van and laying it on top of 3 layers of ½ inch birch plywood. Pretty expensive stuff, but I figured it's the lightest and the nicest material, so it would serve me well in the van for anything I do to it. So templating these weird ins and outs has taken the most time to do, but almost there. done, and did a little bit of the edging as well. So come check it out. By 12 sheet because Lowe's and Home Depot only sell you rolls with the planking going perpendicular to the van, and what that'll do is actually make the space feel a little bit smaller, kind of the same way that you wear vertical stripes to make you feel a little bit or look a little bit skinnier. So this planking pattern will give a little bit of a illusion that the van is actually longer. So really happy how it turned out. I still have to do a little bit of trimming along that edge there, put the metal trim along there. I was able to get it in on the back, and that turned out really well. So this color combo is really I'd say pretty elegant, and kind of has a muted tone to it, so not too flashy or doesn't stand out. Really happy how it turned out, and super tired now. So thanks for watching. Next up on the to-do list is the Max Air fan, right up there, probably next weekend. So